Okay, so Jira. Jira is mostly used, like I mentioned earlier, for software development projects. The software development teams tend to like Jira a lot because it's easy for them, easy to read. You can put stuff or more like deliverables and backlogs, and they're able to just pick those up and move them in between. And I'll show you what that looks like. So for task management, it allows teams to create these different deliverables or issues, as it's called, for different parts of a project. These issues can be anything from a bug that needs fixing to a new feature that needs to be developed. So if you see issues in a software development project cycle, it doesn't mean it's an actual issue. It could be, but it could also be just a new feature. So just put that in mind when you're thinking of, or if you come across any software development projects. And for workflow tracking, teams can define workflows in Jira to represent the stages that the task will go through, such as to do, in progress, and done. So it's clear for the development team to just come and say, okay, this is what I need to do, or this is what's in progress. Let me keep working on it, or this is done, so I don't even need to touch it, right? It helps everyone involved in the project understand where things are at any given time. Collaboration. It also provides a centralized platform where team members can collaborate on tasks, communicate about progress, and share important project-related information. Again, you're also able to send messages and things like that in that platform. So it's easy. You can communicate in there. Jira offers various reporting features that allow teams to track progress, identify bottlenecks, and analyze their performance over time. So like I said, because it's called a Kanban board, once you see the board, you're able to see, okay, this is still in progress. Why is this still in progress? Is there like something going on with it? Anything of that nature. So if something is to be done, and it's a blocker for something else, another issue or another deliverable, they're able to pinpoint that very early on, and then they can move it along as it should. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what a Kanban board really looks like. You can put it in like a timeline format. You can put it in a board. You can put it in like an issues. I put it in a board. And so that's what it looks like. Again, here you have where it is like a label to show you what stage something is in, whether it's in progress, and then also you have the initiation phase and all of that. So I'll go into detail when I do the actual project demo. But yeah, this is it. Most of these tools, like I mentioned, do the same thing. It's just a matter of preference for some. Others are a lot more automated. Others can provide certain nuanced features that maybe one other tool doesn't provide. So that's really the differences with each one of them. But yeah, so others are simpler to use than others. So that's that for the tools and software that are used in project management, at least the basic ones. See? Are you aspiring to enter the world of project management, but you're feeling lost on where to start? Let me guide you through every step of the journey, from crafting a standout resume and finding the perfect roles to mastering interview techniques and negotiating an ideal salary. I've got you covered on all of that. Plus, I'll be sending you job alerts twice every week. I'll also ensure that your LinkedIn profile shines bright, drawing recruiters to you like a magnet. With my expert guidance, you'll be well equipped to excel in the competitive field of project management. So don't wait. Go to www pathways to pm.com/coaching today.